Koala Kare is the leading provider of safe and innovative commercial childcare products and is proud to be the most recognized brand of baby-changing stations. Did you know we offer 12 models of baby-changing stations and over 20 child seating products? Our number one priority is the safety of your most important customers, and we offer a number of replacement parts to keep Koala products in good working order. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the shock on a KB100-ST and KB110-SSRE horizontal recessed baby-changing station. The shock may need to be replaced if you notice your baby-changing station does not close once the bed is lifted to about 40 degrees or if the door opens quicker than normal. There are different shock kits required for each of these products. If you are replacing the shock on a KB100-ST, please ensure that you have the 874-kit-ST. If you are replacing the shock on a KB110-SSRE, please ensure that you have the 875-kit. Each shock kit contains instructions and a shock. You will need to provide a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. You will also need a non-abrasive work surface and a 4-inch by 4-inch wooden block or similar surface to support the unit while preventing the stainless flange from damage. It is recommended that you wear gloves during this installation. To get started, open the unit. There should be 4 screws securing the baby-changing station to the wall, located on the left and right sides of the unit. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove all 4 screws and washers and set them aside. Use caution and brace the baby-changing station so that it does not fall out of the recess in the wall. Carefully remove the unit from the recess in the wall. Close the changing station and place it face down on a soft work surface to protect the stainless steel finish on the front of the product. Take care not to bend the stainless flange. On both ends of the gas shock, there is a C-clip that holds the shock onto the ball stud. Facing the back of the station, locate the top of the shock and carefully slide a flathead screwdriver in between the shock and the C-clip. Once the tension on the C-clip is removed, you'll be able to pull the gas shock off the ball stud. From the back of the baby-changing station, insert a long flathead screwdriver into the shock opening. Locate the C-clip and release the lower ball stud from the shock. Remove the old shock and dispose. Position the unit on a 4-inch by 4-inch by 36-inch wooden block or similar surface so that the trim flange around the unit hangs over the edge of the block without touching the surface below. Opening the door of the baby-changing station all of the way, you should be able to locate the lower ball stud on the bottom of the door. Slide the thin end of the replacement shock down through the hole in the back of the unit. Snap the replacement shock onto the lower ball stud. Twist the head back and forth to ensure that it is secure. Close the door of the baby-changing station and place face down. Compress the shock so the hole is level with the upper ball stud and snap into place. Please note, compressing the shock may require some degree of force. Twist the head back and forth to ensure that it is secure. Stand the baby-changing station on the work surface using the wooden block for support. Open and close the door of the unit several times to make sure that the shock is functioning properly and the door opens smoothly. Remount the unit using the screws and washers that were set aside earlier. Follow the installation instructions that were provided with the baby-changing station. Open and close the door of the unit several times after the unit has been mounted. Clean up tools, dispose of waste, and close the baby-changing station.